Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make pesto using a mortar and pestle. First, gather your fresh ingredients: basil, pine nuts, garlic, Parmesan cheese, and good quality olive oil. Lightly toast about 1/4 cup of pine nuts in a dry pan for a few minutes until fragrant. This step truly enhances their flavor. Also, peel and roughly chop 2 cloves of fresh garlic to prepare them for grinding. Now, let's begin the grinding process. Start by placing your prepared garlic and toasted pine nuts into the mortar. Using the pestle, apply a firm, circular motion to grind them together until they form a coarse paste. This initial step releases their essential oils. Next, add your fresh basil leaves in small batches, about 1 cup at a time, continuing to grind until they are fully incorporated. With your basil, garlic, and pine nuts well ground, it's time to add the cheese. Gradually incorporate about 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese into the mixture, continuing to grind gently. Then, slowly drizzle in approximately 1/3 cup of high-quality extra virgin olive oil. Keep grinding until your pesto achieves a smooth, vibrant green consistency that's perfect for your favorite dishes. To keep your homemade pesto fresh, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. A helpful tip is to pour a thin layer of olive oil over the surface before sealing. This prevents oxidation and keeps that beautiful green color. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to that, along with other great deals, in the description below. Enjoy your delicious, fresh pesto.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.